Hello everybody, Leo Jr. over here at Jam Young Insurance, coming at you first thing on Monday morning. Hope you all had a great weekend. My clients ask me all the time about the different types of business insurance, and they ask which ones do they need. Well, the purpose of this video is to go through what I believe are the five main categories of business insurance and kind of talk about how you know which ones you need. So let's start with the very beginning, right? The easy one, property insurance. Business insurance should cover your property if you own property, right? So if you own a building, if you lease space, if you own inventory or own equipment, you need a property policy. There's another type of business insurance called liability insurance or casualty insurance. This is the insurance that if you're required to have insurance, people require you to have. So those of you that need certificates, this is a reflection of your liability insurance. Liability protects you in the event of a lawsuit or acts that you're negligent in, or a lot of other categories, and that's a whole nother video, but liability is the next part of business insurance. Every single business needs liability insurance. That's a blanket statement I'll take to the bank. If you operate a business, you need liability. The next part of business insurance is auto. If you own a fleet, if you're a contractor and have a work truck, if you're a taxi company, if you're a trucker, or if you're using a vehicle for work purposes, you need a business auto policy. Sometimes we can provide you business coverage on a personal policy for professions like a real estate agent, but that's few and far between. So if you're ever concerned, call your agent. The next type of business insurance to really consider is workers' compensation insurance. Now, we don't talk about that as much at my agency because in the state of Ohio, I'm not allowed to write you workers' comp. The state has to write it for you. So I advise on how to get that from the state, but I can't make any money on it and we don't really talk about it. So in Ohio, we don't have that conversation as much. For states outside of Ohio that we write in, we have that conversation a lot more often. Again, you have to carry workers' comp. If you have employees, definitely get it. And the last type of business insurance is business life insurance. This is an incredibly important part of your business because this is how you protect your business from catastrophe happening to one of the owners or a key person. Business life insurance could be designed to ensure an agreement between you and a partner or partners that if somebody dies, we can pay the other one to buy out your spouse, or if you have a key person, we can insure that person or your employees as a benefit. So to recap, property, liability or casualty, business auto, workers' comp, and business life insurance. Within those silos, there's a ton of different types, and I'll get into that in a YouTube video coming later this week. So thanks again for watching. I hope this helps some of you business owners or aspiring business owners out there. Have a great week.